Hi guys, today we're going to be playing Unseen Limillaty. Tell me if I say that wrong. I've played this game multiple times and I love it. It's kind of like Backrooms, which it is. That's cool. I already found this level. Sky. Get me out of here. Get me out. Thank you. Okay, what is this? Okay. I'm supposed to walk again across this. I'm struggling. Yeah, I'm not doing that. This is weird. Okay. That's scaring the death out of me. I don't know what that is. What is that? I'm scared. What is this? Come on. Okay, I thought I was gonna get jump scared there. What's that sound? This game kind of creeped me out a little bit. Okay. What is this? If I get jump scared, I will. There's no door. Oh heck no. I'm out of there. What the heck is that? Scared. Okay, I'll try this again. So freaking dark in there. What is that? Okay. Alright, run through there. Oh, you found the entity mimic. I want to try to find it again. Just get me in here. So this is what my friends were talking about sky rooms. Oh no, it feels fishy in here. I don't like this. Go in here. This gives me a bad feeling. Let me up here. Back in this room again.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute.
Alright, I found someone. Alright, they're real. What was that? Okay, that was random. Okay. Where the heck is the chair at? Alright. Where the heck is that ladder? It's somewhere around here. I think I know where I'm going, real quick. Level run for your life. Oh god. What the freak is that? I'm not going under there. I'm not dumb enough to go under there. Maybe this is the way to the room? Just gonna go through here. Come on, go, go. I don't know where I'm at. What was that? Oh my god, I'm scared. Alright, let's see about this. What is this? Oh my god. Oh no. Where the heck am I? Okay, I thought I was dead for a sec.
What the hell?
It always
Oh my
follows.
God, no way, yeah.
Okay. This is scaring the heck out of me. I don't know what this is. Oh god, don't go under there. What's in there? This is different. Is there anybody in here?
What the hell? Oh my God.
Oh god, no. What the frick?
Yeah.
Ah!
Wherever you go, I won't be far to follow.
Never mind.
Get away from me!
Frick! I don't like the makeup, bro. Don't ask why I screamed like that. There's a way to mimic is. This is not funny. I don't know Mia. Great, now I have hardly any health. That stupid entity. Hello? Hello? I hear someone. Hello?
Yeah, it's your
Hello?